Hello guys, I have been living in mixed dresses lately because they are easy to style, comfy, and still look put together without trying too hard. So, in today's haul, I am showing you 7 beautiful dresses. Some are long, flowy, some are short till knee length, but all with their own personality. Think florals, breezy fabrics, embroidery, and little fun details. So let's dive in. Quick, fun, to the point. You are going to love this. Let's start today's haul with this super pretty floral dress from Kalini. It's made in pure cotton fabric, so yeah, you know it's soft and breathable, especially for those sticky, humid days. This mauve dress with white floral print giving that soft romantic vibe. I love this little wrap detail in the front, and it has this beautiful empire waistline which is so flattering no matter what your body type is. It has got this beautiful V neckline, cute puff sleeves, and tiered hem that hits just around the calf. But the real charm is this white lace detailing on neckline, sleeve, even on the hemline. It pulls the whole thing together. I paired it with these beautiful pearl hoops and my Must Harbor heels. This dress is perfect for brunch dates, garden parties, and honestly just twirling around in your living room. I mean, why not? Okay, this next one is for my embroidery lovers. It's a soft blue A-line dress from Vishuddh, giving that ethnic charm in best way possible. Again, it is made in 100% cotton, which means breathable, wearable, and just easy. It's a midi length dress in tiered hem, hits just above the calves. I love these long bishop sleeves. This soft volume makes it feel little romantic, but I like to pull it up to balance the proportion. This mandarin collar adds structure, and then you get this beautiful multicolored embroidery on the yoke. Even the fabric, it's textured. You can see the color. These are the same colors as embroidery. So this embroidery pops even more. And suddenly it gives that crafted yet cool vibe. And for my practical queens, it has two pockets and dress is fully lined, so no stress about transparency. I styled it again with the same silver hoop earrings because they are so elegant, and my Must Harbor heels. This dress is perfect for work, brunches, or when you want to feel little extra without trying too hard. Okay, this next one is from brand Sangria, and it is such a pretty pick. Green base, fit and flare shape. It just falls so nicely on the body. It's made in rayon fabric, so it's soft, flowy, and moves with you. This square neckline adds that soft feminine touch, and the short puff sleeves are super cute. There is this black floral print just on sleeve and hem, which is very subtle but still eye-catching. It's a long tiered dress, almost like a maxi dress, and it has this beautiful pintuck detail at the front which adds little bit of structure and make it so refined. I went a bit boho with this look, added these beautiful earrings, this ghungru bangle. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels because they were matching perfectly, and top it off with my Lavi Lux structured bag to balance the flowy vibe. This one is great for casual brunches, shopping spree, or casual meetups. Okay, this next one is total head turner. It's from brand Anaina, and pink is loud but in the best way. It's made in 100% cotton fabric, but fabric is not usual, flat and boring. It has this beautiful structure to it, which creates so much interest without being too much. It has got this beautiful frit and flare shape with tiered hemline that just goes above my ankle, and these balloon sleeves always yes. But the highlight of this dress is this beautiful V neckline with this tie-up detail. And this is a functional tie-up detail. You can adjust the depth of your V with these strings. And also there is this waist yoke detail at the front which pulls everything together and gives it a kind of finished look. I kept the accessories clean and simple as usual. These Ruban's pearl earrings, this beautiful gold bracelet, and for footwear again my Must Harbor heels, and you can see the complete look. Of course, you can wear this look for vacations, but other than that, you can wear this for low-key events or when you want to brighten the mood with color. This next one is from brand Stylum, and it is that easygoing throw on and go kind of a look. It's cotton again with that soft pink floral print, feels light and fresh. It's got a shirt style front with full buttons, but buttons are not functional. Rolled up short sleeves and that relaxed A-line shape. Tiered hem with front slit adds that little moment to the look. Length hits just around the calf, and honestly it is one of those looks that just works. No fuss, no overthinking. It comes with this fabric belt which adds a little structure to this shirt style dress. I styled this look with simple minimal jewelry. These silver hoops, these are small hoops, simple silver bracelet, and my go-to Must Harbor heels. This look is perfect for work, running errands, shopping spree, or casual hangouts. Now let's switch things up with shorter one. This one is from brand Sangria. It's A-line knee-length dress in this gorgeous turquoise shade made in that soft mulmul fabric which is super breathable, lightweight and easy to wear. It's got simple V neckline and 3/4 flared sleeves. It is a simple design but details make it stand out. There is this delicate lace insert work on panels and on sleeves. On sleeves it is right at the hem, and another layer is on the biceps where the flare starts. Such a fun touch. Also there are potly buttons running down the front, and these loop details at the neckline gives it a little extra charm. I wish they have given the lining to this dress. It would have been much more easy to wear because it is a soft voile fabric, so it is really transparent. I wore a nude color slip inside and it works fine. This dress is giving beach and vacation vibes, so I styled it with these beautiful pom-pom earrings, these colorful wooden bangles, and I'm good to go. Last one in the haul, and it's a lovely piece from Anouk. Off-white base with this delicate green floral print. It has such a nice ethnic vibe to it. It looks like it is made in organza, but it is a viscous rayon fabric. It has got this mandarin collar, regular 3/4 sleeves, empire waist with this beautiful knife pleats. So flare comes with this pleats. It's a knee-length dress. I feel it is a perfect length because it is not too short and you still feel covered up. And it has this beautiful printed border along the neckline and even on the sleeve hem, which ties the whole look together. And it comes with matching fabric belt which gives the structure to this look. I styled this look with oxidized jewelry to match the ethnic vibe of this dress. These earrings, this bracelet, and for the footwear, my Carlton London black heels. And I'm good to go. Other than work, this look is perfect for days when you want a desi inspired look that's modern, still easy to wear. And that's all 7 looks, guys. I tried to cover all the lengths starting from knee, midi, maxi. So tell me in the comments which one was your vibe, or better, which one you would totally steal from my wardrobe. If you enjoyed this haul, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one with more easy looks and zero outfit stress. Bye!